Hello, and thank you very much for watching our video of our stunning Audi A3 S-Line Saloon. This particular version is the 1.6 diesel engine, making it very effective on the road tax, very cheap to run with great MPG. As you'll see from the video, it's in outstanding condition throughout. This particular car has the front splitter, finished in high gloss, front and rear parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, freshly refurbished black alloy wheels, S-Line badging throughout the vehicle. As I mentioned, this is free from any damage, no scrapes or wear. Very nice high gloss black lip spoiler, LED rear tail lights, parking sensors and reversing camera. Great size boot for anything that you may need to carry, with the luggage tie down net. Moving around to the driver's side, we'll have a look inside. So this one has the half leather S-Line sport seats, all in excellent condition. No signs of any damage or wear and tear. Leather finished door cards with electric windows all the way around. Child locks for the rear windows. Heated and electrically adjustable door mirrors. Multi-function seat. The S-Line badging. Moving inside, we've got the fully electric handbrake, all the controls for the infotainment system, fully automatic climate control with air conditioning. You'll see the reversing camera, which will change when you move the steering wheel. Drive select modes, navigation. You can change from efficiency to comfort, automatic or dynamic driving. Also has the cruise control, multi-function flat bottom steering wheel and semi-digital dash. This particular car comes with 2 keys, automatic lights and wipers, everything that you'd expect. And there we have it. There's our Audi A3 Saloon. If you require any more information, please give us a call or visit our website.